Thank you. Naimbag, Tenalawag, Abigat yung amin na po. Firstly, let me greet the members of the Sangguniang Panlunsod na ada dito ita, beginning with our Vice Mayor Ray Carlos Fariñas, the Chairman of the Committee on Agricultura, ni Apo Konsahal RJ Fariñas. We also have here Konsahal Jeff Fariñas and Konsahal Brian Alcid. Let me also greet the officials of the agricultural sector. Of course, we have here the Provincial Agriculture and Fishery Council Chairman, Mr. Marcelino Morales. Then we have the City Agriculture and Fishery Council Chairman of CAFC, Mr. Cipriano Mateo. Then the City Fisheries and Aquatic Resources Management Council Chairman, Mr. Ruben Mariano. Federated Lawag City Rural Improvement Club President, Ms. Emily D. Ragasa. Sunshine City Organic Farmers Association Chairman, Dr. Johnny B. Jose. Federated Forest Club of Lawag City President, Mr. Edmar Tagama. And lastly, Lawag City Tobacco Growers Association President, Mr. Zarex Gala. Let me also greet all of our beloved Punong Barangays who are here, and let me greet them each one. The Kapitan of Digwa South, Punong Barangay Severino Domingo. Our Punong Barangay of Katabang, Apo Punong Barangay Brian Patulayan. Our Kapitan of Kawakan, Apo Kapitan Edelboy Quinto. Our Kapitan of Pila, Kapitan Robert Jose. Of Lataab, Kapitan Silidonio Caliboso. Of Barangay Talingaan, May Tokayo, Apo Kapitan Michael Palting. Nabotas B, Kapitan Dominador Ignacio. Barangay Kasili, Rolando Tagiwa. Barangay 33A La Paz, Romel Asuncion. Kapitan of Kabungaan B, Apo Kapitan Roniel Domingo. And last but not the least, the Kapitan of Riweng, Kapitan Richel Ortal. Sorry, it's lalaki para. So, and the Kapitan of Magilani, Jennifer Gabriela. Apo, pasensya po. Now, Apo, I don't have a speech. So I'm going to talk to you, I'm going to ad-lib, and I'm going to talk to you from my puso. Apo, and I need an interpreter. Come here, Sheila. Apo, listen very carefully to what I'm going to say to you. Actions speak louder than words. Please give the Ilocano interpretation. Give the Ilocano interpretation.
Saan nasao, nabigit araming di pakakitaan.
Always remember that, Apo, ha? Always remember that. It doesn't matter how good a person speaks. It doesn't matter how good they make sarita. Whether it's Ilocano, Tagalog, English, German, French, Indonesian. What matters is the action of the person, Apo. That's how you judge. Now, please judge my actions. You are all here this morning because of my support for agricultura. Apo, please, you must understand, you must understand that you play the most vital role in Lawag City. Come here. Say that in Ilocano.
Ni agrikultura, tika importante ang na sektor ng duri iti lugar tayo.
Because why? Because you put food on the table. Because of you, people can eat. What is more important than eating? Siyempre, then you live if you eat. If you don't eat, you die. That's why agriculture is so important, Apo. You must understand this. And that's why I support all the Manalo and the Manganga dito sa Lawag, Apo. 100% Apo, 100%. Together with all the members of the Sangguniang. Please understand, Apo, that in the future, there can be trouble. There can be trouble in the future because of the weather conditions. We have to be medyo ingat. That's why we must protect our Manalon and our Mangala, especially from natural disasters. Apo, this is very important. This is why I will be talking to the members of the Sangguniang about how to protect the crops that will be grown by our farmers, the livestock that is being raised by our farmers, because in the future, Apo, there can be big problems with the weather. Please, I'm thinking ahead. For your sake, Apo, for the sake of all the farmers, explain that.
Agrikultura, di ka vulnerabulan. Kapinisaan, iti-epekto na iti-climate change. Kasi diyan nga bayag, makita tayo iti-epekto na talaga, lalo di pagtatalunan tayo pagkalapan. Iso nga yung karigatan di city government, nga sa lakni pagda tayo babay, itinatulungan ng mga wagas, tatlo matulungan na tayo magbalit na resilient, tatlo nga ma-jeopardize na yung sector tayo.
Apo, we should not depend on food being brought from outside. We should, Lawag, the people of Lawag, should depend on local produce, Apo, on the food created dito sa Lawag. Because in the future, there can be problems. I want Lawag to be self-sufficient. Say that in Ilocano, self-sufficient.
Napipintas, may produkto tayo na tayo hindi kaya na nasustenaran. So, dapat, suportaran na tayo ang city government, tatlo kaya tayo masuportaran na tayo ng Manalo, na tayo ng Mangala, kaya tayo masuportaran, sustenaran, ipagkasabulan, ti komunidad, tatlo nga tayo magdependa, iti importation, kaya nagirigat ako na nakadependa tayo, iti outside source na hindi naman ng quality, bayad na iti agricultural products tayo.
So, please understand that out of the 80 barangays, 50 of the barangays are rural, okay? And that's why it is very important that we concentrate on developing agriculture because you are the future. Agriculture is the future of our society. If agriculture goes baksak, the community goes baksak. It cannot be. That's why I'm here to wish you all the best and to tell you that Sheila is perhaps the best head of agriculture for all Ilocos Norte, Apo. Sheila is so good and she loves you. She loves the Manalo and the Mangala. They love you so much. And I know that the members of the Sangguniang care about you also. This is not about politics. This is about the love of agriculture, Apo. Always remember that. I love you guys. The Capitanes from the agriculture sector understand. That's why they're here. They understand how important it is that we take care of all the Manalo and the Mangala, Apo. So, I just want to end by saying to all of you that we have your back. How do you say that? That I have their back. That the Sangguniang has their back.
In always and always, ti Apo, ti City Officials, Inadoluan, ti City Mayor, Honorable Michael Marcos Yon, kasama ti San William Pandolsot, Inadoluan, City Vice Mayor, Honorable Ray Carlos Marillas, Sindalaan, Dalata, at dadalata kanya tayo si susuporta, ti anyaman na kaya tayo maiswat, ti panagraay, ti agrikultura, kaya hindi pagkalapan ti lugar tayo.
So to all of you, take care. I love you all. Diyos ti Arnina, kada kayo akin